Hi skaters! I'm so excited to talk to you today because I have something really special to share. If you are just starting your skating journey, or even if you have been on the ice for a little while but feel like you are not making the progress you want, this is for you. I have created a comprehensive online video course called the Beginner Fundamentals Figure Skating course. It's designed to guide you step by step from your very first moments on the ice to mastering skills like single jumps and basic spins. Let me tell you a little bit about what is inside this course. There are 100 videos broken into 20 lessons, and each lesson focuses on a specific set of skills. You will start with the basics like standing up, gliding, and stopping, and then move on to more advanced techniques like crossovers, turns, and edge work. What makes this course unique is how much detail I have included. Each video doesn't just show you how to do a move. I also explain the common mistakes skaters make and how to fix them. And I guide you through step-by-step progressions so you always know what to work on next. I have been coaching for over 35 years, and one thing I have learned is that the foundation is everything. When you focus on mastering the basics like balance, edges, and power, it makes learning everything else from jumps to spins so much easier. That is the philosophy behind this course, building a strong foundation so you can progress confidently. But this isn't just about learning moves. It's about transforming how you feel on the ice. By the end of this course, you will feel comfortable, graceful, and confident. You will not only know how to skate, but also understand how to improve and correct yourself. If this sounds like the right fit for you, head over to styleskating.com to check out the course. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to fine-tune your skills, this program is for you. And if you'd like even more personalized support, consider joining my YouTube channel membership. You can send me videos of your practice, and I will give you tips and corrections to help you improve faster. As a member, you will also receive unlimited email support so you can reach out to me with any questions about the course. I will personally guide you, answer your questions, and provide personalized help to ensure you are learning effectively and building your skating skills with confidence. You can find all the links to my website and YouTube membership in the description below. I'm confident this course will transform your skating journey and bring even more joy to your time on the ice. Skating is such a beautiful journey, and I would love to be part of yours. So let's take the next step together. Check out the course, join the membership, and let's make your skating dreams a reality. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the ice.